Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is graphical method of a solution of pair of linear equation. Now see here how to represent this pair of linear equation in graph, that we are going to see here. Consider the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the two pairs of equation. In this the coefficients are a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. These are the real numbers here, with the condition that a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. X and y are the variables. If this is the pair of linear equation, this we are going to represent in the graph. While substituting in the graph or while solving this one, what are the cases are possible, that we are going to see here. First one, case 1, consistence. We have seen the first itself, in representing graphical, if two lines intersect at a single point, we will get a single solution, that is exactly one solution we will get. Suppose if two lines are coinciding one over the other, means we will get many solution, and if two line does not coincide, then we will get a parallel lines, that is no solution. The same three condition here also we are going to discuss. At what case that two lines will intersect at one point, that we are going to discuss. Consistency, the pair of equations. Now see here, when we can say that two equations are consistent or my solution is consistent, means my a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. In this case I can say that it is a consistency. That means the lines will intersect at a single point. The pair of linear equation has exactly one solution. If this is possible, then it will have only one solution, that is intersects at only one point. First case is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Let us understand this by taking the example. Now see here, x minus 2y is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. These are the pair of equation. Now a1 value 1, a2 value is 3, b1 value is minus 2, b2 value is 4, c1 here it is not there, constant value becomes 0, here c2 is minus 20. Now let us check with the condition a1 by a2 is equal or not with b1 by b2, that we have to check. Now a1 by a2, that is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 minus 2 by 4, minus 2 by 4, these two we can cancel and we can write this as 1 by 2 with the minus sign there. So this 1 by 3 is not equal to this 1 by 2. Therefore we can say that it is a consistent and has exactly one solution, that these two lines will intersect at a single point. This point will have x comma y, that will be the solution of the pair of given equation, that's the value of this x and y. The next case 2 is the dependent consistence pair of equations. Now see here, the next for dependent condition, the condition is here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. That means if all these are equal, then we can say that the line may be coincident. See here, this line will coincide with the next line. The pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions where it is intersecting, the full region is intersecting. So each and every values of x and y is a solution of the given equation. Therefore, in the dependent consistence, it has infinitely many solutions. Now let us take the example 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. In this, let us find the a1 value 2, b1 value 3, c1 value minus 9. A2 value 4, B2 value 6, C2 value minus 18. Now we have written all the values. Now let us check the condition. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 are equal or not. Now 2 by 4, 3 by 6, minus 9 by minus 18. Now cancel this one. If I cancel, I will get 1 by 2. If I cancel this, I will get 1 by 2. So if I cancel this, again I will get to 1 by 2 only. See here, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. All these three are equal. If I have all these are equal, then I can say that it has infinitely many solutions. Two lines will coincide. Then the third case, inconsistence pair of equation. Now see here, for that the condition is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, that is not equal to C1 by C2. See that first two will be equal, but the second and the third is not equal. In this case, I can say that it is inconsistent. The lines must be parallel. In this case, the two lines are parallel lines. The pair of linear equations has no solution. If these two lines are parallel and does not intersect at any point, means then those lines will be parallel and those lines have no solution there. Now example, see here, I have taken two equations here. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. A1 value 1, A2 value 2, B1 value 2, B2 value 4, C1 value minus 4, C2 value minus 12. Now let us check with the condition whether A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, that is equal or not with the C1 by C2, that we have to check. Now see here, A1 by A2 means 1 by 2, B1 by B2 2 by 4, C1 by C2 minus 4 by minus 12. Now this if I cancel, I will get here 1 by 3, but these two are equal here. If I cancel this, I will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, but this is not equal to this 1 by 3. In this case, I will get the parallel lines like this. Here, it has no solution there. When the two lines are intersecting, it does not have solution. So the in graphical method also we have three types of solution. One is unique solution, the second is infinitely many solution, third is no solution.